Ciao a tutti, this is an amazing experience. It is my first attempt at gamelan and we have been learning so many new different instruments also. It's a challenge, but it's really fun.
For me, this course has been life-changing. If you see around the room, everybody was playing and smiling and looking at each other and just having such a great time making music together. And that's